Hello again, and we are back for another episode of Park Hyatt at Home, aka the Super Chef Dad Chronicles. I am Chef Matt. This is Cousin It. All right, we're making two great recipes today. The first is a classic creme brulee, and we're gonna make a super easy butter cookie that comes together in our trusty food processor to go along with it. So, are you ready to start cooking? How's my hair? Good? Okay, all right. We're beautiful? Okay. So first thing we're gonna do is our creme brulee recipe. Now this is almost identical to the pot de creme recipe that we made a couple weeks back. In our bowl we have just about a quarter cup of sugar and 4 egg yolks. And then on the stove, warming up.
Making me on my bug bite.
Warming up, we have here two cups of half and half and a vanilla bean. Sort of like that. Okay, give it a whisk. Beautiful. You've been practicing, haven't you?
That was really hard.
I know, but let me see your muscles. Look at those guns. What are you doing? Show them. Whoa! Whoa, okay, put those away.
Why?
We don't bring guns into the kitchen.
What? Why are you not pouring the black?
Yeah, because I was going very slowly. All right, you don't need to criticize me so much, okay? I'm a professional.
Yeah.
Quick little bonus recipe for you. Same exact procedure that we did for the creme brulee custard and the pot de creme. Instead of putting it in the oven, put it back on the stove and slowly bring it up to about 160 degrees. And once it does, what do you have? Creme anglaise. While we're waiting, we're gonna make our sugar cookies. So in here, we have cake flour, almond flour, cubed up cold butter. We have some castor sugar. Now castor sugar is just super fine sugar. If you don't want to go out and buy castor or super fine sugar, that's totally fine. Just put the sugar into the food processor first, buzz it up, and then add the other ingredients. And what I like about this recipe is that it's just one bowl. Now we're gonna pulse this until it's a crumbly texture.
Yeah.
Pulsing position. Pulse. Just make sure there's no pieces of butter stuck to the side of the bowl. That is all done.
One more little taste.
Oh, okay, fine. You could have some of the raw eggs and flour. And they say I don't spoil her. All right, just form it into our log-esque shape. Okay, now we're gonna use our special log rolling device. Okay.
I'm wearing Elsa pajamas.
Okay, I am too, underneath my other clothes.
Are you really?
So let's see. We baked off our custards. Let's see. Right, and we're gonna.
No, I touch it.
Where's that hand coming from? Oh my God, that was scary.
That's Mom.
That was freaky. That hand came out of nowhere. Go.
Is that hard?
So we have our cookie dough has been sitting overnight. We're gonna roll in our Demerera sugar. All right, before we cut it. That's right. Get your.
Tasty.
How is that?
Good.
Good. Sprinkle them up. Oh boy. That's wow. Wow. Okay. All right. Stop eating the sprinkles. This is our sprinkle budget for the entire year.
But they're super yummy.
360 degrees, about 18 minutes until the underneath side of the cookie is lightly golden brown. So in the restaurant, when we're finishing a creme brulee for service, we use a blowtorch, either a propane torch or one of these, and that's with this guy. But I will show you another way to do it in your home kitchen, and we're gonna put it under the broiler in the oven. All right, so I find that the best sugar for this is either sugar in the raw, or Demerera sugar, or Turbinado sugar. They're all really similar. I like to sprinkle a generous amount on the top, more than you're gonna need, because you don't want to pat it down with your hand. We roll it around like that, can you see? And then tap off the excess. So I'm gonna show you with the torch. All right, turn on our torch. All right. When I teach cooks to make creme brulee, I tell them, don't wave the torch all over the place. Right? Just let it go until you start to see the bubbles and the sugar start to caramelize. And then move it. The sugar should be a dark, dark amber. Not black, you don't want to burn it. But it should be dark enough that it has the slightest touch of bitterness to offset the sweetness of the custard. So you can see the difference here. It's pretty big. Like this is the one from the broiler. It's still caramelized just enough, and it's nice and crunchy, so it's not bad, but it's not the same. Here.
Good.
Here. So you...
Wait, take a good custard bite.
I'm glad I got to share this recipe with you. Hopefully you have fun with your own cooking adventures, and see you next week. Oh, so you're back for more. It's okay, you don't like it. You don't have to have any. I don't know what I'm going to tell my audience. They're gonna think that I really don't know what I'm doing, and that everything that I make tastes bad. Because secretly off camera you really like it and eat all of it. I wish I was recording.